show that you can go around.
Because it used to be U-shaped, now it is O-shaped.
It's O-shaped already.
Okay, from Santolan, the President will be getting off at the North Station of Trinoma.
Why?
And take to transfer to a Line 1 train, which has entered the same platform. And from there, we will have a more than 2-kilometer trip to the passing by the Roosevelt Station, which is not yet complete, but the President's getting off at the Balintawak Station and to check on the progress of the station and the new ticketing system, whereby we can using one ticket. It has the capability of using a single ticket for all 3 lines, plus the state-of-the-art contactless, like similar to the ones in Hong Kong. Maybe you will try that in the demonstration, contactless, just tapping it. This is now a 3rd-generation train. This was purchased last year.
Which has more than double the capacity of the commuter system since before our administration. From 200,000 to 500,000. And it was not aircon before.
It was not aircon. So this is the connection already. This is the start of the 5.7 kilometer
This did not exist. This route did not exist before. So this is the one that makes the U-shaped train system O-shaped now. So that we take off from Santolan and we land in Santolan again. That's why this is part of our 10-point program, one of which is to decongest Metro Manila.
Saka sa buong mundo, ito yung pinakamura ang pasahe. Average of 12 pesos.
Vice President Noli De Castro and the honorable cabinet members, let us all welcome them with a round of applause.